Not too far from grace. Put down the weapons you fight with and kill them with kindness.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'm finally back. So I'm sorry I've been gone for I think 2 weeks, 3. I'm not sure how long it was, but yeah, hope you guys stayed with me and continue to stay here. Yeah, okay. But yeah, for those of you that are new to this channel, my name is Maria, and today I'm gonna be doing a video on the Anastasia lipsticks and the, I think I'm saying the name right, Amrezy highlighter. So yeah, I know I'm a little bit late on that highlighter, but it's okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna basically do like a little review on these products that I purchased. Before anything, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and yeah, don't forget to like this video if you enjoy watching it, of course. Yeah, so if you want to see what these lipsticks look like, then just keep on watching. So I've actually purchased 8 Anastasia lipsticks. Yes, well, it was on sale, guys, on sale, so I knew I had to get these. And this is the first time I'm using these lipsticks, so I'm really excited about this. And yeah, so it was buy one get one free, so you know your girl had to get that sale. So yeah, I got these lipsticks, and I also got the highlighter, the Amrezy highlighter, and I'm pretty sure I'm saying the name wrong, so my bad, I'm sorry. So I just zoomed in a little. My eyebrows look funny. Whatever. So as you can see, I only have a little bit of makeup on. Well, not a little bit, but have my foundation on and contouring a little, and my brows, of course, and some lashes. The lashes are from Amazon, so I'll link that if you're interested in the lashes. So I'll leave it down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. And let's start off with this one. So this is the first lipstick. Sorry, my nails are ugly, but yeah. So this lipstick is American Doll. We're gonna try it out. I'm not really good with red, so let's see how this looks on me. It's a really soft product. It glides on really easy. I don't know why on camera it looks like orange-ish, but this is how it looks. I like the packaging of these lipsticks. They're super cute. I like it. I thought it was gonna be too bright. It does look bright on the packaging. Next lipstick is going to be a purple color, and this is in the shade Clover. So let me show you guys. I forgot to tell you guys, but the wand, it's like a little brush, so it's so convenient for you to apply it on your lips. So this is how it looks, and this is not what I was looking for. Okay, so next one is going to be this one. This one is in Bittersweet. So this is like a little brownish color. It's a really nice color. I really like it. But then again, I love using brown colors, so yeah, that's one. Okay, next one is going to be Bohemian. It's a really nice rose color. It's a really dark rose color, so it's really nice. I like this color because it goes with my skin tone. So, but yeah, this is really nice, and the product doesn't feel like heavy on your lips. Like, it feels really soft. Next color is going to be this blue shimmering color. It is Rekim. I think that's how it is. I mean, that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. But it's this beautiful color here. And this is like a color that I would definitely use on, like, you know, special occasions.
Ooh, girl. Yes. Ooh, I love this color. Oh my gosh.
It doesn't look that bad after all. What do y'all think? Do y'all think this is a cute color? Although this one is... Oh, do y'all see this? This one's sticky. Let's try this one. This one is the Nocturnal. Super cute color as well. Let's see how it looks. So this is how this one looks. Super cute color. I feel like you guys can still see the blue here. I don't know. I can't take it off. So this is in Insomniac. It's like a baby blue color. So this is how this looks. This color. It's a really nice color, but I don't know. Maybe with some lip liner it'll look better. But right now I feel like it's too bright. There we go. But I mean, whatever, I'll still probably wear it. But I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, the next lipstick is gonna be Maud. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing all these names wrong, so I'm sorry. But yeah, it's this lipstick right here. It's like a really orangey brown color. It's actually a really nice color, like a really brown with a kind of orange undertone, so it's really nice. So next item that I'm gonna be using or reviewing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter with the collaboration with Amrezy. It's this one. So yeah, let's see it. And if you guys follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, I did show the video of the inside and everything. It looks bomb. And this is how it looks. Super cute packaging. Loved it. And this is how it looks from the inside. Let me swatch it out for you guys.
Okay, so you see that? Yo, y'all see this? So bomb.
I'm gonna be using my fan brush. Sub beat up.
Girl. Oh my god.
Y'all see that? Okay, I'm getting too carried away. Oh my god, do y'all see this?
Let's try the other side. Girl.
You're gonna be blinding those people with this highlighter. I'm in love. Put some on your nose a little. put some in your whole face so you can be blinding people. No, I'm just kidding. It was definitely worth my money. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Kill 'em with kindness. Go ahead.